Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Tanavi and he's my better half Shailendra. And in this series we are going to Kasol, Khirganga, Tosh and Malana.
Yes, and we are going to leave in 1.5 hours now.
Yeah, so it is a 3 nights 4 day journey and now we are still packing. So it's a huge mess going around. I have my office work still going on and packing is in progress. Where's my sorry but I think what I was supposed to wear now I kept it inside. Shit, we have to open this again. In all my trips, I do the stay, I book for the travel and everything on my own. But this time, honestly, I did not have the time to do that. And why are you laughing?
Yeah,
Okay, so this time I absolutely did not have the time to do that. So I reached out to one of my friend who is in tours and travels. So he has planned this trip for us. It is more of a camping adventure trekking trip. So yeah, this is the first time in India we are doing trekking.
Yes.
Together.
So.
Yeah. I've been on treks, but this is the first time together we are on a trek. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Okay. By the way, this is
No.
Okay, so this is just for the record that this is Shailendra's birthday gift.
It's not.
Yes. So I had promised him that I'll take him on a trip.
No, you haven't.
So this is the trip, Shailendra.
ये सब झूठ है.
ये झूठ नहीं है. चलो. Okay, so it's 13th April, 9:20 p.m. and we are all ready. Our bags are packed. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6. And we are just waiting for the driver to arrive. He should be here in the next 10-20 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
And if you guys haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button now. Bye.
एक नंबर गेट से अंदर आना पड़ेगा भैया. हाँ. उसके बाद उनको बता देना.
So our driver is here and now we are leaving. Let's go. It's 12 a.m. 14th April and the driver took a stop now to have dinner and so is Shailendra. What is this? What are you having?
Mushroom tandoori masala.
How is it?
It's nice.
At midnight 12 you're hungry and you're eating mushroom tandoori
I
masala.
didn't had my dinner. That's why.
Why?
Because I was full at that time.
You were?
I was full.
Full. What you had?
I had many things.
So mostly we'll be reaching tomorrow morning by 11 a.m.
11:30.
And yeah, Shailendra is busy having his mushroom tandoori. Anything you want to say?
No, we'll see you in Kasol.
Good morning.
You had a good sleep.
Yes.
Where have we reached?
We are just entering Himachal Pradesh now.
And how far are we from the destination?
6 hours.
And how are you feeling?
Feeling good?
Had a good sleep?
Yes. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Where are we going now?
We just entered Himachal Pradesh, so now there'll be all ghats, so it will take some time to reach us. So the earlier 8 hours were easy, and now it's going to be tough. More time and less distance will be covered. So let's see.
And me. Today is 14th of April 2022. We are on our way to Kasol and
we are in the ghats, and I'm feeling like vomiting.
yeah, it's
So it's our supari time.
yes. Thanks to me.
Yeah. Open the It's 11:30. It's 11:30. So we are going to have brunch.
Yes.
So what should we order?
I think we should order dal fry. Safest option.
Dal fry.
What do you think? Or dal tadka, whatever is fine with me.
ठीक है, मंगा दो जल्दी, भूख लगा।
मेरे को भी भूख लगा।
How far are we from Kasol?
We are 3 hours away, I guess. 3.5 hours away.
So we'll reach by approximately 2.
2:30.
Let's eat. कैसा है? चेक करो।
अच्छा है। मसाला okay. Let's see the dal. Oh.
Dal is good. Finally, we reached our hotel. Shailendra, how are you finding the location of the hotel?
It's really nice. We have pahado hi pahado.
What is the first impression of the rooms? Did you like it?
Yeah, they are really nice.
It's cozy, no? Cozy and comfortable. So now we are going to freshen up a little bit, maybe change clothes and get ready, and then we'll be going to Manikaran temple and the Kasol market, which is 10-15 minutes away from here. So since the driver has not slept from last night till from 10, so he also needs to sleep and get rest. So once we are back, then he'll also have rest and he can take a day off then. It's 3 p.m. now and we have now reached the hotel. We left Noida at 10 p.m. last night. So it was a long hectic journey, but we've reached. Chalo, let's get ready, Shailendra.
Yes.
Let's get ready. Bye bye, Shailendra.
Yes. See you in 15.
15 minutes?
Yes.
Bye.